All right, so we've defined rational expressions. Now let's look at simplifying. We simplify the same way that we would other rationals, so we're talking here in the number forms. So if I've got just a normal rational number, two numbers over each other, then we think about removing the common factor. So first I can write this in its factored form, which of course is 15 is 5 times 3, 25 is 5 times 5. So then I can eliminate the 5s, and I'm left with 3/5. We do the same thing with rational expressions. So first I want to factorize and then remove common factors. So that top one, x minus 5 times x plus 3 over x minus 3, x plus 3. If you feel like you're struggling with factoring and you want some extra practice, come see me. I've got lots of worksheets I could give you. So here's our common factor of x plus 3. So that eliminates, and it eliminates because x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So that's why we eliminate. The problem here, though, is that anytime I have an expression, a rational expression, I have to think about the conditions when it's undefined. So remember, we can't ever divide by 0. So even though I've crossed this out and I would like to say that this is just equal to x minus 5 over x minus 3, I also have to give conditions. So my x is not allowed to be 3, because here if it was 3 I would divide by 0, but it's also not allowed to be negative 3 from the one that I crossed out. So if it was negative 3 I would have also had a 0, I would have divided by 0. So really, before I start simplifying a rational expression, straight away what I should do is look at the denominator. So before dividing, I have to note to myself, note that x squared minus 9, oops, jumping ahead of myself, x squared minus 9 is not allowed to be 0. If I solve that using my typical way, x squared cannot be 9. That means x cannot be plus or minus 3 if I use my square root method. So straight from the beginning, you need to look at the denominator. So in the end, when I do simplify, I will end up getting x minus 5 over x minus 3 with my given condition that x is not plus or minus 3. So let's look at some more examples. I'm going to stop this video, make another one, but really you need to stop this video and try this for yourself. See if you've got it yourself, and then come back and check your answers.